This is up here cleaning out the upstairs because it keeps leaking in on our house. So we got her up there pushing out the water. She's doing a great job helping. But this morning I woke up, my servers, my bedroom, the bed, the clothes, everything under the bed was saturated from the tropical storm we had last night. We've been hit by tropical storm after tropical storm, from Irma to Maria to everything in between and afterwards. So this is what we're dealing with today. Constance! Where are you? Constance! I don't know where she went to. She's in there somewhere. I think she's in that back room because that's the area that's leaking the worst. What's happening is it's getting underneath the tiles and the grout, and the water just pools up in there. And it just gets worse and worse. See if I lighten it up, if I can see her better. There she is. Hi, baby. I see you now. We basically had to throw most of the stuff away. Hi, baby. There she is.
Hi.
Hello. Say hi to the camera. Looking pretty chill up there, like you got it handled. Thank you. We're gonna have to put all of our stuff in storage. It's just getting ruined. And we have leather furniture. I just went and paid like $11,000 for furniture in the last 10 months. All of this is brand new. I got it from Rooms to Go, and now it's all ruined. So it keeps getting worse and worse and worse as more and more water leaks. I don't know what to do. You see the church next door got pretty battered. That's what happened to the church. And then a lot of the damage that came to the house came from these bricks from both the church and the house next door falling apart. That's actually the church right there. As you can see, lots of bricks, and a lot of those fell into my truck, and same with this over here. So while the truck still runs and it's still, mechanically sound, the paint got messed up. You can see over here, we cleaned a lot of the bricks off, but a lot of them, it's just too much for me and my wife. Our bodies are both mangled. She's been in a car accident. She was in an accident in 2015, and I was in one in 2013, both very severe accidents. So she's got multiple discs all messed up in her back, and then my entire body's, most of my body's been rebuilt with stuff like titanium. So it's been really hard for us to clean this up. The landlords are elderly, so they have a hard time. But that's what we're dealing with. See if I can show you from around back. It's pretty crazy. All right, going in for a landing.